Good afternoon. I'm a father of Mr. Mathana Kumar. He's my son, my last son, and I come from Sagamat, Johor, and I'm very happy and very proud of, in fact, to say MITRA College and the management and all the staffs and all the one who help him to carry his carriage is very. I'm really proud. He got a good job and he got a good studies from MITRA. Before he was a bit naughty and he's not really wanted to study and all that. After coming through MITRA and he got a very good, brilliant lah. I can say about it lah. So and he got a best student in the vehicle maintenance and all that. So what shall I say? I got a good son. And I really thanks to the management and MITRA College and all the staff, all the teachers who help him to bring up a good student lah. And now he's very good lah, I can say lah. So he got a good job also. He is now working in Purodua in Sagamat, and he's a brilliant there too. He's really working very hard down there. So and I would like to say, all the students or maybe the children whoever it is outside there, they don't know where to go and what to study, and please come to the Auto Prima College in Shalam here. So they will bring you your child or even the students will be in a brighter future. So take care and come over. You can really good college lah, I can say lah. The Auto Prima College is a really very good lah. And given all the students have a brighter future. Thank you so much.